I remember I really worked on one first year and had those parallels where there were 65 versions of every
silver, blue.
Hey guys, what do we got?
Like Jose Red with
What do we got, guys? What do we got? What are we opening?
2008 Topps Co-Signers.
Are you taping?
Yes, you're taping.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Kind of Alexander Graham Bell. Like,
there are still all the parallels.
Johan Santana, screw my fantasy
see?
team right there.
No on the top.
There we go.
There, parallel.
About Adam Dunn with Bronson Arroyo in the background?
ooh, have an autograph from Joe
Oh,
Koshansky.
yeah.
Anyone? The team that Joe Koshansky plays for would be...
The Cincinnati Redlegs.
Yeah, Rockies!
Spare
Koshansky.
Okay,
No, I can sell this for big cash to Joe Koshansky
himself. Or his mother.
Well, you got the best pull so far, so you get the bonus pack.
I like the inspiration of a dot matrix pattern on the
What are
card.
you looking for? Dual autograph card?
Alright.
Sure.
Carlos.
Co-signing.
Dual autograph.
Ted Lily in the background?
Those make it very confusing.
Yeah, why are they doing that?
Green.
400.
Very confusing. Very, like, oh god.
It's X-Fractor.
Somebody tell me what's this product about? What are we looking for? Grant, what is this product? What is...
This is 2008 Topps Co-Signers, the third edition of the product. Very, very successful product from previous years, fueled by the multi-signed cards.
Parallels upon parallels upon parallels.
Yes, lots of parallels. Lots of cards.
Anybody excited?
Cars. Yeah, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, man.
So many different kinds of parallels we get there. Red,
There's so many.
I got a
Green.
redemption card for a dual signed Jeff Francis and Jason Hirsch.
Just Canadian boy.
Colors.
We got all the
That's our
good cards.
That's our big hit, I think. With this
Out of the box. So I guess like other years you get guaranteed one dual signed card per box.
3 autographs.
Three autographs.
What else do we get?
We're
Oh,
gonna put
this
this
is
in the U.S. postal system and
See,
juice this daddy, see what comes back.
a Rob Johnson autograph, numbered to 300. Rookie autograph.
What was the other autograph? Oh, you got both.
No, Joe Koshansky.
Koshansky.
And
How old is Joe Koshansky? Is there wait? Oh, there is.
38.
No, he's not that old. 30. No, he's not that old either. Got 28. 28. That's what I'm saying.
I didn't know how long it would take you, Al, to grab that.
Yeah, I'm finding it up here.
Yeah, he turns 26 next month.
26.
Oh, it's off center.
It is a redemption card. I couldn't vote for an OC redemption card.
All these cards
Cards
are
are
green.
off center.
Hold on.
Those are so 97 bonus back to top refractor.
These?
Yeah, remember the mirror image cards?
Yes.
Like versions of those things with unannounced, whatever variation. 6 cards for how much SRP per pack? $10.
Is it? I don't remember. I have to look at it. It's between $6, $10, $8. I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Adrian Gonzalez,
This is pretty
David Ortiz,
Was that last one?
Brian McCann with Jeff Francoeur in the background,
How many cards are in the
Chase
base set
Utley,
here?
A-Rod,
No clue. Haven't seen the checkbook.
Shin Lung Hu, rookie card, logo.
What was that name again?
Shin Lung Hu.
Good God, man! I got a. It looks like who was saying that song? Oh, baby, you.
His marquee.
Yeah, I got a Biz Marquee signature, man. Look at this.
Wow.
If that's not Biz Marquee, I don't know who is.
Oh, you know what? That's what they did.
That is
Boxers.
Biz Marquee.
I think
He's got a
Boxers.
great song with Beastie Boys.
Yeah.
Last year they did Astronauts.
Come on, that's
And
Biz
now they've
Marquee.
done
Who is this
Boxers.
guy? Samuel Peter.
He's got a bad
He's a professional boxer, but I think that's Biz Marquee's real name. It's Samuel Peter.
Ross Ollendorf.
Baby, you.
Yankees
Out
pitcher.
of 300.
Whose belt was this originally? Butterbeans? This guy's already big, and his belt is like real loose on him.
What do you got there?
Redemption card,
What's good?
Chris Duncan and Brendan Ryan.
You get the bonus pack.
Bonus pack.
Sam, you get the bonus pack too, because you got the Butterbean one. Why do you keep taking my cards?
Because I'm organizing, putting them away. Base
Vladimir
cards. There are 100
Guerrero,
base cards.
Ichiro, Jason Bay, Felix Hernandez,
Idi Amin Dada.
That was this year.
King of Scotland.
This is Idi Amin.
David
Idi Amin
DeJesus.
after a fresh slot.
After a meal.
No.
The distance from
Look how beat up this card is.
Edit.
We got one more pack here?
You're putting this out for betting.
Oh, yeah, here's one of those here, folks.
Not anymore.
Strike that from his record.
It's Felix Hernandez with himself in the background.
Justin Verlander, 1-4, ERA of 6.5
He's
this year.
awesome this
Awesome.
You need to
Go
get it
Tigers.
on track. The Tigers destroyed the Rangers.
That doesn't
You and
say
me
much.
and these guys.
Hanley Ramirez, really? This
He's
guy.
good.
He's good.
One of Grant Tangro's worst ever recommendations was to not buy Hanley Ramirez 2 years ago because he was overrated.
Should let the Red Sox get rid of him.
You want to do it? You got Josh Beckett. You got
I was got a World Series out of it.
What do you want?
Guys, thanks for letting me come into this impromptu.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Two World Series.
To me, for young, that I small children looking at it.